this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this
is a freestanding toilet tissue paper roll holder stand from the SunnyPoint store. This is going to give any bathroom a more classic look. This color is the brushed chrome, and it gives it a very modern style. It stands 23 inches tall, and it is easy to move around. What's great about a freestanding toilet paper is that you can move it anywhere and you can use it in any bathroom. For example, my bathroom, there is no place I can actually put a toilet paper holder without messing up this beautiful wall, or you're sitting toilet paper just on the toilet, and that's not classy at all. The stand itself is very easy and functional. It has an awesome little loop that bends with your toilet paper and is easy to install. At the bottom, there's even a felt pad. That way it doesn't scrape up any of your floors in your bathroom.
Now my old bathroom can be both functional and classy with this awesome toilet paper holder. If you're in need of one to have toilet paper always in reach, then check this one out. And that's my point of view.